Today we're going to learn about solids, liquids, and gases. As you may have remembered from some earlier training that you've had, it's the three main phases of matter. And the big difference between them is how much energy they have, heat energy. You may notice my unusual environment. Since this educational movie is being made on Apple products, and sadly one of the founders of Apple, Mr. Steve Jobs, passed away just recently, I'm making the movie in a garage in a dedication to Mr. Jobs, since he kind of started his career inside a garage, and so I want to wear the proper safety equipment while we're down here too. So we'll be using this special particle viewer to look at our solids, liquids, and gases, because the particles are very, very small, and so we need to have the right equipment for the job. So let me set this up over here. We're going to be examining using water as an example. So we have solid water, which we commonly know as ice, liquid water, which we commonly know as water, and then inside here we have the gas version, which we know as steam or water vapor. And so we're going to look at each one of those in the special particle viewer to see how their particles are arranged and what's going on with them. So here we've set up our ice in the stage on our particle viewer. So let's take a look inside and see what we see. We can see here the particles of a solid. They're arranged in a tight, regular pattern and move very little. We pretty much say they vibrate. This is why solids are known to have a definite shape and definite volume when compared to the other phases. So here we've set up the water on our particle viewer, and we're going to see how those particles look in comparison to our solids. So let's look inside and see what we see this time. Oh wow, look at the particles in a liquid. As we added heat, we were able to turn our ice into a liquid, and that added energy to them, and now we got this extra motion that we didn't have before. The particles of a liquid can move past one another easily. This is called flowing. They are close together, but not in a neat, even arrangement where the particles were. So liquids are often defined as having a fixed volume. They're known for taking the shape of the container, and because there is some space between them, they are slightly compressible. Okay, and finally we come to our gas particles. So we've set them up on our special particle viewer, and we're going to look inside and see how these look. These should be quite exciting. I'm really anxious to see these. Wow, so now we're looking at gas particles. Gas particles move very rapidly and much larger spaces between the particles when compared to a liquid and a solid. They have no definite volume because they're so compressible, and they have no definite shape. They just take whatever the shape of their container is. Well, I hope you have enjoyed our tour through solids, liquids, and gases at the particle level.